It is not a secret that we spend the majority of our free time just watching on Netflix or even YouTube videos for hours without shame. But what if I tell you that you can earn money using your hobby of watching? In this video, you will see how to earn money just by watching videos anywhere, even in your own home. This is a step-by-step tutorial for every website that we have on making money online. But before we start, make sure to finish the whole video to identify which platform suits you the best. Now we start! So first, as you open the search engine of your choice, type the website grabpoints.com. And as you enter, this is what you should be seeing on your own screen. As you can see, this website has a lot of ways and methods to earn money. You can earn through watching, answering surveys, completing offers, and even downloading apps. However, since you are here in this video to learn how to earn money through watching videos, we will be focusing on that. You see, the payout threshold for grabpoints.com is just $5, which, if you compare with other websites, isn't too bad since there are some who require up to $15 or so before you may cash out. To get you rolling, you first of course have to sign up on this website or log in if you already have an account. For this tutorial, let's log in on our account to show you what it should look like. After you log in, this is what you should be seeing. As you enter, some of the first things you can see are the surveys that you may answer that can also be done to earn more money. As we go down, there are tons more earning methods as mentioned earlier. As we navigate the website, you can see on the top left saying Earn Points. And under that, we have Home, Surveys, Watch, and Offers. Right now, this is the home page. And since we are here to earn through watching, we should be on the watch page. As you can see, we've been redirected into this page where we can see these two options. As we hover into these two options, we can see the exact details and instructions. From there, you can decide which you like more to start watching. For the purpose of this video, we will choose Lootably. As we click that, you should be redirected to another page where you should be seeing all the videos you may choose from. In the right part of each video, you can also see the respective points for each. Once you've made up your choice which video you want to watch, as you click it, you would again be redirected to another tab which will ask you once again to sign up so that they can track which videos you've watched along with their respective points and be able to pay you. Now, as you watch the video, you can also see all the recommended videos you may watch after your current one to gain more points and earn from. And that's that! That's basically our first website. And by the way, make sure to pay close attention to every step because there are vital points that you have to follow to make sure you will get paid by watching. Also, through these websites, you may not actually earn thousands of dollars, but you may gain about a couple dollars, which is already a big help for some, but make sure to follow the steps we are giving properly. Now, as we move on to our second website, again, open up your search engine of choice and type in superpay.me. As you enter, you can see in this corner the benefits of using this website as your choice to earn through watching. We have fast payments, low cash out threshold, work from home, availability of promos and contests, free paid service and offers, referral program, and most of all, the moment you sign up, you will instantly earn your first 20 cents just for signing up. So as you are done signing up, this is what it should look like inside your account. And to ensure you that this website really pays their people, you may click Rewards and click Payment Proof. In here, you can see all the people that have been paid on this app. Now to start watching and earning, up here you can see offer walls. And here, we see the choices wherein you could watch from. It's up to you whatever you want to choose. And for the sake of this video, we will be choosing Engage Videos down here. As you click it, it will redirect you to another video section page, which is similar to the first website that we discussed. But the difference here is that we can actually see the topics, which makes it more enjoyable for you to watch because you may choose something that really interests you. This is one of the factors that made this website better than the first one. And that's why you should stay tuned until the end of this video, for the website just gets better and better. Now, as you have chosen the video of your choice, make sure you don't play the video right away unless you are logged in. As you can see here, there is an actual notice that you have to be signed up to earn from the video you have watched. So please, do not neglect this step and sign up on Hideout TV so you can earn. As it redirects you on the sign up page, and as that is done, you will now start receiving your points for watching these videos. And to see how much you've earned, you can see up here, rewards, and as we click on that, we can see withdraw cash, and there is your money. Now, let's get into the third website called inboxdollars.com. You know, this is actually well known and a lot of people are on this website to earn money by watching. Just by signing up, you already gained $5 as a bonus, which is way more than the second website, making it already better than the first two. But for this website, the cash out threshold is higher. You will need to reach $10 before you can cash out. So in order to reach that, you can see in the homepage of the website different methods such as taking surveys, shopping and cash offers, and finally, what we are here for, watching videos. So, let's go ahead and see how this website operates by scrolling down and seeing this section, how it works. You can see here that brands pay them for consumer input, then we recruit members like you, and you will be doing online activities such as paid surveys, paid videos, and more. And lastly, you can really earn cash and not points, nor coupons, or whatever you may be thinking on this website. Now, as we scroll more, we can see how you can earn money, and all this information is provided by the website itself. And since we are here to watch videos, it says that big brand companies want consumers to watch short snippets of their content like movie trailers or new product features, and that we share a portion of those earnings with you. It is very clear from the statement that you are receiving a part of their payment, and that's how you get paid on this website. So to sign up right now, scroll down a little more to see this purple block that literally says sign up and get the $5 bonus. Now, we are more than halfway done with our websites. Second to the last, the fourth website is called swagbox.com, which is also a famous website. On this website, you can get free gift cards and cash for the daily things you do online. Here under the earned points, it is stated that you can search the web, answer surveys, and watch videos, which we are here for, to earn points and find great deals. The points that you gain by doing these things can be sent to you as cash, which you can cash out from PayPal. On the other hand, if you want to get a free gift card, that can work as well. Again, you won't earn thousands on these websites, but you may still earn a decent amount. So if you want to start earning money on Swagbox, go down and you will see the sign up box and can immediately start as soon as you finish this video. Our fifth website, the most different out of all the websites, yet another great website to earn from, is called picoworkers.com. In this website, you can see job listings that will have you click on websites and eventually earn money right away. Earning money on picoworkers.com became very easy. At first, the job listings here are just small jobs which are enough to get you your first dollars. These small jobs are often the quickest and easiest things to do. But take note that the jobs here change daily, making it different each day but can still pay you. On some days, there are video watching. On some, there are none. However, every listing is quite easy to do. especially if you are open to earning beyond just watching videos. If you have the time, you can even click on every job seen on the site. Now, make sure to sign up on this website and earn money. And that is it for this video. If you haven't already, make sure to click like, subscribe, and even leave a comment to show your support for this video. Also, click the notification bell to be the first one to know when we post. Thank you for watching!